Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x and x, we can do about factorization. Next, we can put u. That's about integration by substitution. So we can put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 1, you got about 0. First derivative of ln x squared, we have 2 ln x over x. Because we don't have number 8, that's about number 4 with number 2. So we need to divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. ln x dx over x we change by du over 8. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.